Let's open Raspberry Pi 3 Model B Plus starter kit and see what is in the box. HDMI cable for interfacing with your monitor or TV. USB micro SD card reader that support up to 128GB flash memories. And in kit is included 32GB SanDisk micro SD card, which is super cool. Power adapter that give 5 volts and 2.5 amps of current. Raspberry Pi plastic case for protecting your mini console. And Raspberry Pi 3 Model B Plus computer board with HDMI output, micro USB powering port, 4 USB connectors, Internet port, wireless and Bluetooth modules built in, quad-core 64-bit processor and 1GB of RAM. These small heatsings also are included in kit. They are self-adhesive and you can place them on Raspberry Pi chips and have much better cooling. Raspberry Pi can be a computer, a weather station, there are a lot of projects online, but I'm making Raspberry Pi a RetroPie game console. First I need to write RetroPie image on microSD card and you can download RetroPie from link below, and I will put links for how to install RetroPie on Raspberry Pi board. After installing the RetroPie and adding some games, I have plugged in the microSD card with RetroPie software into card reader of board. With HDMI cable I connect with my TV and I have used this USB Nintendo controller, which is amazing. Now let's play some games. About the project, in next minute you will watch how I assemble the 3 main parts for making DIY mini Xbox speaker box. Main module with integrated audio amplifier and Bluetooth receiver. From here I have soldered the speaker and LiPo battery. Basically you need Bluetooth audio receiver, audio amplifier, LiPo charger and LiPo battery. All this on this tiny board. Amazing! And custom made mini case for placing all parts.
Simple and easy to make laser alarm that is amazing learning project how laser alarms work. The circuit is made with one NPN transistor, one LED and buzzer, 2 kilo ohm resistor, one photoresistor and cheap laser module. In next minute, watch how I build this gadget and see how it works. Now to explain about today's project, which is converting a PC fan into Wi-Fi controlled LED RGB light show. I am placing RGB LED strip around the PC fan, but before that I drill some holes so can each LED diode reflect directly on PC fan blades. The fan I have sprayed it with white color paint and everything I tied up with 2-component fast adhesive 2-in-1 glue. I hope you like the LED controlled PC fan that change any color via Wi-Fi or with this small remote control that come together with Wi-Fi controller that I purchased from eBay for about $8. Thanks for watching and be a hacktuber. Subscribe!